Another view of the messy bench. This project actually seems to be doing something. It's working. This should be my Jupiter receiver. A very simple SDR to basically detect noise from the planet Jupiter as it transits across the sky on about the 20 megahertz band. So there's an ARM processor here, SI 5153, feeding a signal off to the radio, which isn't shown at the moment. And there's a signal coming back into the ADC here, and then the noise received is being displayed on the spectrum waterfall. And at the moment Jupiter is below the horizon, so this is the kind of base noise level. And as Jupiter crosses the sky, the noise should come up a bit. So still work in progress, but something's happening. Cheers for now.